decision by the United Nations Security Council declining the request by Kenya to classify Al-Shabaab as a terror group. Speaking as he officially opened a two-day inaugural Parliamentary Security Intelligence Conference at the KICC, Muturi lamented that the move would enable the Al-Shabaab access financial assistance. However, we also saw the U.S. Ambassador to Kenya, Kyle McCarter, saying that Kenya's request would affect human rights in Somalia, and as such, the United States could not approve of the request.
Shabaab, a terrorist organization, and therefore, to the extent that it continues to be considered as a legitimate group of human rights crusaders in Somalia, then they are at liberty to receive financing from all sources, including from civil society groups and NGOs.
The request from Kenya was Resolution 1267, which includes in it the removal of humanitarian care for Somalia. This is an issue to the compassionate people of the United States. We have instead supported and have over many years through the security resolution, UN Security Resolution 751, declaring that Al-Shabaab were terrorists.